What's going on, everybody? Josh, starterandgutterbusiness.com. Today we're going to show you how to put a downspout up the front of a gutter into the back of another gutter. Let's get going. Custom work. All right, so we're using the square 2x3, 3x4 downspout, going from the front of this to get the water into this gutter, so we don't have to have a downspout on that gutter. So got a little scrap here. I'm gonna put it up on each side, trace it, cut a hole in the front and the back of these, and then basically flap the downspout into these two gutters and seal them up. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm just cutting on those lines I traced, making tabs where I need to, and just getting these two things to tie together. In the end, I'm gonna glue it all, seal it all up with sealant anyways, but I'll just try to make them look as nice as I can. And so this tube will just be coming out of here into the back of this one. All right, so I got my holes cut. I'm gonna start with a 1-inch overlap on each side, and I'll probably end up trimming it up a little bit, but that'll be a good start. All right, so just so you guys know, the downspout I'm working with is box steel that we have bent by a company with a metal brake. It is 20, I think it's 22 gauge. It's pretty stout stuff. So it takes a little bit of getting used to, but you get it figured out, and it's really strong once it's all together. So just kind of a pain in the butt to work with. So what I'm doing, I do usually a rivet every 16 inches to rivet this face back onto itself. And that's what gives the box gutter its shape. Okay, so since this is coming into the lower downspout at kind of an angle, and I need something to rivet it on down there, just building a little angled, like a beveled bottom, so that way it matches the bevel on the bottom gutter and I can rivet it together. Okay, so I got kind of a flap from the bottom of this, tipping into this gutter, riveting that on. Note to self, definitely should not have put any glue on these end caps before I attempted this. So I'm gonna have to clean all that up. One thing that works good, just so you guys know, for cleaning glue off stuff is goof off. You spray it on there, it wipes right off with a rag. Works really good. Okay, so I'm just making sure that all these attachment points are all sealed up, because none of this does any good if everything leaks. So I'm just sealing all the way around the inside and partly the outside. I made a mess on this one, so I'll have to clean that up, but get her sealed up and working good. And there you have it, clean gutter to gutter downspout. If you guys like the look of this box gutter across the front of this entryway, we have another video on that. So we'll put the link down in the description. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you on the next one. Is that what you wanted? Nice.